This is a high wind watch for the following locations in Colorado: Fort Collins, Greeley, and Byers. High wind watch in effect from Wednesday morning through Wednesday afternoon. The National Weather Service in Denver has issued a high wind watch, which is in effect from Wednesday morning through Wednesday afternoon. Timing: 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time through 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Winds: northwest winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 55 miles per hour possible. The following impacts are expected: areas of blowing dust restricting visibility. Strong crosswinds on highways. Possible power outages caused by downed power lines. A high wind watch means there is the potential for a hazardous high wind event. Strong winds may lead to property damage. Hazardous driving conditions due to powerful cross winds will be possible for drivers, especially for lightweight and high-profile vehicles. Loose outdoor items should be brought inside or secured properly. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. The 9 p.m. observations around northeast Colorado.